Hello everyone, this is Deepa Coaching Classes. Our today's topic is coordinate geometry. Please watch the video till the end so that you understand the concept properly. We are going to learn 4 different type of formulas today. Distance formula, area of triangle, midpoint formula and section formula. Let's start with distance formula. Distance formula states that AB is equals to root of x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 bracket whole square. So this is the distance AB. These are the coordinates of A. These are the coordinates of B. The question is find the distance between A and B. A coordinates are 3, 1, B coordinates are 7, 4. The 3 is x1, 1 is y1, 7 x2, 4 y2. Put the formula and substitute the values accordingly. For x2 put 7, for x1 put 3, y2 4, y1 1 raised to the power square. Subtract the values and find the square of both. After adding both you get the answer. Take the root of the answer, that is 25, you get 5. You have to write the final answer in units. Similarly, if you get a sum saying find y if distance between A and B is 5 units. Okay. Here the distance is already given, you have to find the coordinate y. Again put the formula, substitute the values. Minus and minus become plus, sign remains minus. Minus and minus plus the whole square. 3 square, when you take a square of anything, the negative sign goes. Here also square. Now take only the number the other side, becomes 16. So y plus 3 is plus or minus root of 16. Why? Because this is square, this side it will go to the other side of the is equal to sign and it will become root, which is plus or minus. We have to take the values in two different form, either plus or minus. So y is equals to square root of 16 is 4 minus 3. This is plus, this has become minus. This is plus 4 minus 3, this is minus 4 minus 3. So minus 3 will remain as it is, only the sign of 4 will change. If it is plus 4 minus 3, it becomes 1. Minus 4 minus 3, it becomes minus 7. So we have the value of y. Type 2 is area of triangle. We have to find the area of triangle. A triangle is given x1, a, b and c. A will be your x1, y1, b is x2, y2, c is x3, yb. The formula says area of triangle is equals to half x1, y2 minus y3 plus x2, y3 minus y1 plus x3, y1 minus y2. So this is a big formula. How to remember this? See, take it as x1, x2, x3 outside the bracket. So if it is 1, it becomes 2, 3 inside the bracket. If it is 2, it becomes 3, 1. Since there are only 3 sides, after 3 will come 1. If it is 3, it becomes 1, 2. Okay. So in each section we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is an example. This is P, Q, R. P coordinates, Q coordinates, R coordinates. Write the above formula and substitute the value. Please substitute the values properly or else you may get a wrong answer. Always solve the bracket first. Then multiply the bracket with the outside number. Then do the large bracket solving and then do the division. So here, since it is area, we are writing the final answer in square units. Next is the type 3 midpoint formula. This is the easiest one. If P is the midpoint of A and B, coordinates of P becomes x and y, then A is x1, y1, B is x2, y2. So P can be written as x1 plus x2 upon 2 if you want x coordinate of P. If you want y coordinate of P, it becomes y1 plus y2 upon 2. So this is an example where we have to find out coordinates of C, x and y. So we are putting the formula and substituting the value. This is my x1, y1, x2, y2. x1 is 5, x2 is 3 upon 2, y1 is minus 3, minus 7 upon 2. Add the answer, divide, and then you get 2 coordinates. These are the x and y coordinates of C, point C. Section formula type 4. This is the most asked question. So please learn this formula properly. We have A and B, x1, y1, x2, y2. We have P in the center with x and y. And we have two m1 and m2. These are the ratios. So the formula says, formula says m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus x2. This is for x, and for y, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. The question is, find the coordinates of point P which divides the line segment into this in ratio 2:1. So ratio is given, line segments is given. So A and B values are given and the ratio is given. So we have to find the coordinates. Again, put the value. Always remember to draw this line and make the put the values so that it becomes easy for you to solve. Yeah. Put the values of m as 2, x2 2, m2 1, x1 minus 3, m1 2. So the ratio always remains the same. Now do the addition, multiplication, and you get the final answer. The coordinates of P are x is equals to 1 upon 3, y is equals to 2. This is another example where the ratio is not given but the coordinates are given. See, the coordinates are given like 4 and 3, A and B coordinates are given. The ratio is not given. The ratio is not given, we have to take it as k is to 1. Okay. So, I have solved for x coordinate. m1 x2 plus m2 x1, only one coordinate I have written because we have to find only the value of k. We are not asked for both the coordinates. If both the coordinates are asked, only then you have to write the values of both the coordinates. Yeah, we have solved this. K into 5 plus 1 into 2 upon k plus 1. Take this above. 5k plus 2 is equals to 4k plus 4. 4k, take like terms together. Take the numbers together and you get k is equals to 2. So the coordinate 4 is to 3. It divides the line to line 2 minus 3, 5 6, A and B ratios. getting a ratio of 2 is to 1. So 1 is what we already know, 2 is the ratio we have, second ratio we have found out, second number. Similarly, one more sum I have solved. Please pause the video and solve the following. Here are some sums for practice. 6 different type in different forms I have given questions. Please answer the questions and ask me for any. If you need any help, please comment in the box, or any other method you want to solve, please comment. Pause the video, write the question, find out the answer. These are the same sums with different values as we have solved in this video. Do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.